Eileen and Tofi, congratulations. This is it. Finally, you are married, and I'm so happy for you both, especially to you, Eileen, for having found a Christian husband na alam ko naman ever since dinidesire ng puso mo, and knowing that you end up being together was never a surprise to me at all because alam ko naman na how much both of you love each other, and really, God designed you to be bound with one cord which cannot be broken. And I'm really so happy for you both. At gusto ko lang sabihin na this is not just solely about your wedding, but more importantly about the marriage and the family. It's not merely about your maturity, but it's about the commitment and the responsibilities. Pero naniniwala naman ako na yung kahandaan, yung katapangan, yung kaalaman, yung karunungan, at yung kalakasan ay inilagay na ng Panginoon sa puso at sa buhay niyong dalawa. And I also do believe na itong marriage niyo na to ay isang pagtupad sa kalooban ng Lord sa buhay niyo. Kaya nakikiisa ako sa kagalakan yung dalawa. And to you, Eileen, stay sweet, stay nice, stay as kind-hearted as you are, and always stay blessed. At patuloy ka lang na mag-submit sa kalooban ng ating Panginoon, and just be submissive kay Tofi, being the head of your family. And even though may maranasan man kayo na struggles and hardships along the way, alam ko na with the help of our dear Lord, kayang-kaya niyo yung dalawa. And kaya nga, patuloy ka lang na manampalataya sa Kanya. Always put all your hope and faith in the Lord. Never cease to acknowledge Him in everything, and never fail to put Him in charge of every situation sa buhay niyo dalawa. Ayun, saan habaan mo lang yung pasensya mo, and always stay pretty and healthy for your husband and your family. And I'm just here for you. At kay Tofi naman, Tofi, always be a loving husband to Eileen, and a good father to your kids to come. Yan, lagi ka lang maging responsible. Always be a good provider. Patuloy mo mahalin yung pamilya mo, katulad ng pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa atin ng ating Panginoon. And always be an immediate help at all times. So, yun lang. Congratulations, and to both of you, good health, more wisdom, more guidance, more protection from the Lord. And once again, congratulations, and God bless the both of you.